What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 108 and today's topic will be how to build voice driven email assistant using LangChain agent and OpenAI. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you guys how to use your voice driven command to develop an automated email agent or Gmail agent. Okay, so automated Gmail agent means the agent will listen to your voice and after that it will follow your instruction and it will perform your task. It means you don't have to do anything by your hand by opening your inbox. You have to just place the command and after that it will listen to your command, it will understand what is required and after that it will perform. So it's so amazing, right? So before I actually start the tutorial, I would like to give you a kind of a demonstration. Okay, so next part will be the demonstration. Please watch the demonstration. This will give you guys a kind of idea what exactly we're gonna develop here, and once the demonstration is completed I will again start the actual tutorial. Okay, so let's meet in the demonstration section. Thank you. Okay, so this is the thing I am talking just now, and here I'll be just going to present you a very small and quick demo. Hopefully this will give you kind of an understanding what exactly you're gonna develop, and this is already the this version is actually I have already developed, but before I start the tutorial I thought of actually giving you kind of a demo. Okay, so let's ask some question from my microphone. Can you please check in my inbox what was the last email came from Lob Wilson? Okay, so the word Rob I intentionally said Lob, so it is saying there is no email from Lob Wilson. Okay, but if I go here, if you see there is an email from Rob Wilson. Now I'll be actually going to phrase it correctly. Can you please check in my inbox what was the last email came from Rob Wilson? Let's see. Yes. Okay, and if you see this is the last email. Now I'll be going to ask to write a draft. Right now I don't have any draft here, so let's ask it to create a draft. Can you please create a formal invitational email to be sent out to all of my friends, and the subject line of the email will be dinner invite for September 1st 2024 from 9 p.m. onwards. Mail will be completely formal and ask everyone to be present. Once you complete the writing of the email, please save the email in my draft. So let's see, I have given a lot of instruction. Okay, and let's go to the code base and see. Okay, so it started here, see. Yeah, so it's doing it. Okay, so draft has been sent. So it is saying that draft had been sent. Now let's check my email, and I think I have to refresh. Oh my god, so draft has been set here, see. Okay, cool. Why there is two draft? Because I said create a draft and after that I said save the draft. Okay, so first time it is saved and second time it is created. Now I'll ask him to delete the drafts. Let's see whether it is able to delete the draft or not. Probably I heard that they don't have delete capabilities. Okay, can you check in my draft how many emails are there in my draft? Okay, so two draft. From my draft, can you please delete both the drafts? Now I'm asking it to delete. Yeah, so delete option is not there because it is harmful, right? Okay, I think this is pretty cool, and I'll be going to show you how to develop this thing in few minutes. Okay, let's stay tuned. Okay, so welcome back once again. I believe you guys excited after watching the demo. I'm super excited to share the tutorial with all of you. But before I start the tutorial, couple of bookkeeping activities. So see, to work with your Gmail or to work with your Gmail account, you have to actually set up couple of things. So link is actually given here, but I can show you from the live demonstration. First, you have to go to this link and you have to set up a project. Once you find the project, you have to go to the same project, and after that you have to create OAuth client ID. I just given a name of desktop client, and once you go there, you have to click in the credential and you have to select it again, and after that you have to just download this file, right? So once this file is downloaded, you have to copy the content and create a file called credentials.json, and you have to place it here. That's it. So first thing, let me create credentials.json. Okay, right, I created, and now what we'll do, I'll be just going to download this thing here. Okay, I have downloaded it here. Okay, download JSON. So I have downloaded the JSON, and now what I will do, I'll be just going to my downloads directory, and I'll be just going to open with my VS Code. So it is open here. I just copy it. Okay, the entire thing, and I place it here, then I close it, then I close it. It's done. Now I'm actually ready to work with my Gmail. Okay, if you don't set up this thing, it will not work. Okay, so now next thing is actually the understanding what exactly you're gonna do. So use Streamlit, this library, to record your audio. I have already installed this thing, but in your case you have to do it. So you have to go to this link, and after that you have to just copy the command like pip install Streamlit mic recorder. It will record. Then we'll be going to use this library or module to convert our audio into text. Okay, and then we'll be going to use LangChain agent to pass this text as an input. That's it. The source code of the tutorial is available in this link. That is normal, all of you know, right? So now I'll be going to start the actual tutorial, but before I start the actual tutorial or actual coding, couple of things I would like to request. So first thing is, if you're watching this video for the first time, thank you very much for selecting me for your knowledge partner. But I'm requesting you guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share all of my videos with your family and friend, and try to go to my channel playlist section and search for LangChain and Llama Index playlist, because if you see here, this is the 108th video from LangChain. So before this tutorial, I have already posted 107 videos, right? So it's a lot. So basically, if you're a beginner, or if you want to actually explore, or you want to excel or become an expert in the field of LangChain or LLM or artificial intelligence or LLM engineering kind of a thing, then probably this is the right path. If you start watching this playlist from the video number 1, and once you finish this playlist, you will become an expert. And also similar tutorials I have started creating on Llama Index. I believe in the Llama Index you already posted 25 videos, so that is also going to help you a lot in your learning journey. Okay, and last but not least, if these videos are helping you to do some of your job, or if it is helping you to do your project, or if you're learning something quality content from my videos, then probably you should share some nice and positive feedback in our channel comment section. That will help us to find other people these videos that will help other people to find these videos helpful, and also help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to the right audience. And also, one subscription, one like, and one positive comment also give me a lot of motivation, so that I can come back with nice and quality content again. Okay, and last but not least, guys, if you don't subscribe, my channel will not grow, and I love to grow. Please help me to grow. I need your support to grow. And the moment you guys start subscribing to my channel, YouTube algorithm will also going to push my channel, and I love to actually love to experience that thing. Please help me to grow, and I'm promising I'll always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so enough of self motivation and talking. Let's start the actual tutorial. Okay, so first thing first, we'll be going to create a main .py. So here I'll be just going to create a Streamlit thing, and uh, that will help me to actually what to say, to generate uh, to accept the user input and generate the output. Okay, so it should be from Streamlit mic recorder, import text, speech to text. Okay, right? Then from LangChain OpenAI, import chat OpenAI, right? And last thing, import Streamlit as st, right? So now what we'll do, I'll be just going to create I'll be going to set up our LLM. Okay, like this. Okay, and what exactly going to be done here, I believe I don't require LLM here because it will be going to come from the other place. So only this two thing is required as of now. Now we can easily write st.title. Okay, and st.title will be what, st.title will be your one stop uh, voice enabled email assistant. Okay, now what I'll do, we'll be just going to write uh, instruct your voice and see the magic. Okay, so something funny. Okay, I know it has no sense, but still, just to make it attractive, I'm doing it, right? And now let's text. So it should be speech to text, right? And inside that, what are you gonna push? Okay, so let's see. uh, language will be English only. Okay, right? Then use container with, so let's make it true, right? Just once. Okay, true. And maybe I can set something called key stt. Okay, right? And then what we'll do, I just want to actually check if user set something, if text. Okay, then uh, st dot write, and inside that I'll be just going to paste text. So I'll be just going to execute this thing and see whether my Streamlit thing is actually able to do it or not. So with the help of this one line, I can able to read the user, I can hear the user input and also generate the text. Okay, so let's see. Streamlit run main.py, right? So what I'll do, I'll be just going to copy this thing because I want to open it in Google Chrome. Okay, right? So now let's ask something. Hello, myself Ronnie from Total Technology, and I want to generate. Okay, so the Ronnie, it's hard like Purani. Okay, so this is funny. I don't know why it was happen in that way, but yeah, this is something very funny. Okay, okay, I never expected that. Let me see. Why this is like this? Okay, use container with. Okay, let me ask something. Hello, myself Ronnie from Total Technology. Myself Ronnie from Total Technology. So it is not able to understand what exactly I'm saying, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, now let's start working on the actual part. Okay, So let's see. Uh, Start recording, stop prompt. I am checking if I miss anything or not. So nothing I have missed. So now let's create this thing. So this is another file. So basically this will be our main file to generate the Gmail related logic here. Okay, so let's start working on that part. Okay, so first thing first, from LangChain dot agents, okay, dot agent toolkits. Okay, so here I'll be just going to import Gmail toolkit. Okay, Gmail toolkit, right? Then from LangChain chat models, import. Oh, I don't need this thing. Just hold on. LangChain dot OpenAI import chat OpenAI, right? Then from LangChain dot agents import agent type, initialize agent. Okay, done. Now let's create a variable called toolkit. So I am initializing with Gmail toolkit. Done, right? Next thing, we have to set up the LLM. This is the most important part here, right? So chat OpenAI, I believe this is important. And let me see what else I can do it here. Yeah, so I think model equals to GPT for Omni model, right? Now let's create an agent. Okay, it should be initialize agent, right? So first thing first, tools will be toolkit, this variable toolkit, right? Then next thing will be LLM equals to LLM, right? Next thing, verbose. I want to actually show what is happening. I would like to show it. Okay, then max iteration, max execution time, right? So max underscore iterations, max iteration maybe I can say 1000. Okay, then max execution, max execution underscore time equals to 1600. Okay, and the last important thing is actually agent. So agent equals to agent type dot structured chat zero shot react description. So structured, okay, I don't know why these things are not come. Structured underscore chat underscore zero underscore short underscore react underscore. Okay, let me execute this thing. Oh, first it is asking you to, it is very important thing. See, just because I have credential.json, first time I have to log in, I have selected my account, and here token.json, one more file will be created. You see here. So I can close. Now if you see here, one more file created, token.json. Now you can easily delete this file. Okay, but if you don't have this thing, this will not be generated, so you won't be able to proceed. So structured chat. Okay, so yeah, I just did a spelling mistake. See, oh my god. Okay, so there is a spelling mistake here. ZERP, it should be 0, right? Let's execute. This time it will not ask me to log in. Okay, tuple object has, now what is this? Okay, so max iteration, max agent. So I don't know, problem is where iteration max execution time agent equals to agent 0. So oh, where is the problem? I don't know. Tuple object has no attribute args. Okay, so I really don't know where is the problem. Warning editing, it is saying something, file agent toolkit 0 short react description. Okay, so warning editing, I don't know why this error is coming, because I never see this error before, but let me check if I did something wrong there. Hmm, toolkit.get. Okay, so there is an error, so it should be toolkit dot, okay, get underscore tools. Okay, so hopefully this will remove the error now. Okay, was okay, so it is showing initialize agent is actually not available. So you should initial replica LangChain will be removed in 0 in use a new like create react agent. So let me check whether create react agent is there. So let me see whether it is able to do it or not. Okay, so create react agent does not have this thing, so verbose equals to true. So I think I should go with the old one. Let's, yes, so get underscore tools. Okay, so if something is deprecated, we'll check it later on, but yeah, this is fine. Okay, now let's clear this thing and let's create a function here. Okay, so def, so in the function what we'll write, we'll be just going to create a function, we'll get the input and we'll get the output. Okay, so def run agent, it is going to work with an input text. Okay, like this, and then what will happen, response equals to agent dot run, like this, and I'll be just going to pass like this. Okay, and we'll write return response. That's it, it is done. Now remember this thing, email agent and run agent. So what I'll do, I'll go here from email agent return, sorry, import run agent, and then response equals to run agent and text. Okay, right, and after that what will happen, we'll be just going to write st.write response. Okay, that's it, everything is done, right? So see, it is, I'm using this function I imported from here in this line, and it is written in this file, and this is the file. Okay, so one thing, I'm using the in the future this will be deprecated, I'm still using that, but you can use the create react agent. Okay, so let's see. Let's start working on the actual part. So Streamlit run main.py. So it started. Let's copy this thing. Let's close this thing. Okay, I think it's here already. It's running here already. Now let's ask a couple of questions related to my email address and everything. Okay. Let's ask very simple question. Can you please check in my inbox what was the last email came from Rob Wilson? So I ask to check what was the last email came from Rob Wilson. So it is checking here. It is doing something. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, it gave me this one. Okay, and let me check one more thing. Okay, so this is like this, but I set verbose equals to true. It is not printing the verbose for me, so that is something we can think of it. And again, there are a couple of things. Okay, just ignore that. Okay, it's doing it. Okay, and if it's the last email, if you see here, if I go here, this is a Rob Wilson, send me the last email. Let me ask something. What was the last email came from Neo4j related? Let's see. What was the last email came from Neo4j related to billing or invoice? Let's see whether it is able to do it or not. It's doing something. I don't know what it is doing, but it is doing. Okay. Yeah. So if you see here, it seems the most recent email billing and invoices as follows. And if you see here, it's like this. Yeah, 2.5 failed, right? Okay. So now let's ask a couple of more email for. So what else I can ask? Okay. So I think this was a scammer trying to send me some email, Greg, and I would like to follow up with him. Okay, so let's ask Greg Harvang. Okay, let's see whether it is able to do it. So I replied him 4 hours ago. Okay, and I would like to ask. I would like to ask actually that what was the reminder. Okay, let's see. Can you please send a reminder or follow-up email to the email which I sent today 4 hours ago to Greg Having? I don't know whether I spell it correctly or not. It's Greg Harving. Okay, sorry. Let's see whether it is able to do it or not. Okay, it is not able to do that because some error. Yes, would like me to send this draft now. Okay, so maybe it's already created a draft. Let me check. Okay, its draft is not there. Yes, if you see here, it's created a draft already. See, and it is doing correctly. Oh my god, it's amazing. Okay, so now let's ask something else. uh, can you please count how many emails are there in my draft? Okay, can you send that email from draft. Let me see whether it is able to send or not. Yes, so let's check. So it will not delete anything or see, but I believe it will be sent. Okay, so if I go here, if you see, it is already sent that email. Okay, okay. Now I would like to reply to this email. Okay, can you reply to the last email from Rob Wilson, just saying him thank you for the wish? I don't know whether it will be able to reply or it is going to send a new email. That is very interesting. So couple of limitations are there obviously in the tool. Uh, okay. Can you please reply to the last email came from Rob Wilson, and in the mail body just write or say him thank you. So it was not able to understand it's a Rob Wilson or Rob Wilson. So maybe I have to pronounce it correctly. Yes, please send that draft to Rob Wilson. Let me check what was the draft. Yes. Okay. Okay. It is not able to understand maybe. Okay. It is able to understand but not able to do. Okay, fine. Uh, Let me ask. Uh, Search in the draft email. The email to be sent some email domain vidIQ. Okay, and just send that email. I gave him a complex task. Let's see. I don't know whether it will be able to do it not because it's still in the preliminary stage. Yeah. Okay, let me check. Oh, okay. It is saying it is sent. Okay, it understood. Yes. So it is failed actually because you cannot send email to that. That is fine. Now let me ask something. Let's see. I want to ask how many email came from Sakshi Raheja. Okay. Let's see. Can you please check how many email came from Sakshi Raheja in last 30 days? I just need the count. Something very complex. Okay, let's see. And I'll be going to stop here, right? This is super amazing, guys. This is super amazing. So there are no emails from Sakshi Raheja in last 30 days, but I can see. Okay, I think there are no emails from Sakshi Raheja in last 30 days. What was the last email from Sakshi Raheja? It clearly sent me email, but I don't know why it is not able to find. That is something strange. Okay. Hmm. There is some errors are coming. I don't know why these errors are coming to this now, because hmm, hmm, previously these emails were not there, but right now it's coming. Okay, just hold on. Hmm, think this is fine, but hmm, maybe I can ask it again. What was the last email from Sakshi Raheja? Okay, so it is saying that handle parsing error must be true. So an output parsing error could not, in order to pass the error back to the agent, have it try again pass. Okay, so I think we should try this again. Okay, handle parsing error. So maybe I think agent dot maybe let me. Okay, all right. So if you see from the error message, it was saying that we need to actually do some handling parsing errors equals to true. So I actually included that. Now I'll be going to run this module again. Okay. So let me do this thing again. Streamlit run main.py, and I'll be just going to ask the same question again. Okay. What was the last email from Shakshi Raheja? Okay, and yeah, see, this is the main function. Here we don't have this thing, but here is another terminal. It is now giving me this thing, and if you see here, it is giving me this thing. So, and it is giving some error, but it will automatically parse the error, control it. Right now nothing is coming, but if you see here, it is saying incomplete. If you don't have this line enabled here, it will stop here and you won't get answer. But right now I have this thing handled, so it will keep on trying. Let's see. Okay, so I believe it will try for some time. I have written some execution like 1,000 or something, but if it is actually stopped within the like timeout limit, then probably you won't get any error, but hopefully this will fix the error. I haven't get the answer yet, but let's see. Okay, so let it run. Let's see. Let's see when it is actually able to fix it. Yeah, it is keep on trying. That is amazing. Okay, it is still trying. Still trying. I can see. It is keep on saying invalid, incomplete. Okay, so ultimately either it will fix the error or it will stop, but let's see. But if you see here, it is generated the answer, but I don't know why it is saying that could not parse the LLM, this sort of things. Okay, so we have to wait, no other option. Let's wait. It's funny, it is still doing it. It is keep on doing the same thing again and again. Okay, I'll wait for. Basically, I have given, I think, 1,000 or this thing. So within this iteration, if it is able to find it, it will done. But if not, it will fail. Okay. Okay. So let's wait for 2 minutes, and after that, I will try something else, and or else we'll do something else. Okay. Let's wait. Okay. I think I should stop here. Okay. Let me do something. Mm, Basically, let's create a try catch block. Mm, if exception is coming, I would like just going to print the same thing. Okay, what I'll do, let me check whether this approach will work or not, because it is able to generate the answer, so it doesn't matter actually. Okay, so let's delete this thing. I know this is not a right way of doing it, but Streamlit run main.py. Let's ask this question. What was the last email? came from Shakshi Raheja. Yeah, it's able to do it finally. It's finished, Chen. See, see the thing. So it's working just like a charm. Okay, so I think that is it. Okay, so basically, maybe these things are giving this thing. Okay, so let's ask couple of more questions just to check whether it is really working. Can you please check how many email came yesterday? I just need the count. Hmm. So it is keep on trying, but it is not able to generate anything. It is saying there was no email from yesterday. So that is funny. Oh my god. Yesterday there were a couple of emails. Okay, 4, 5, 6 emails are there. I can easily see here, but I don't know why it is not able to do it. Let me ask it again. Based on the repeated attempts on the search of the email received yesterday, uh, mm, after yesterday, before today. Okay, let me ask couple of emails again. Uh, can you please check if I receive any promotional email in last 1 month? Yeah, cool. So if you see, it is able to do it. So let's. Can you please check me? Who sends me maximum number of emails in last 1 month? I don't know how it is going to do it, but I'm asking it to do it too many things. So it's doing something very complicated. Okay, but overall, I'm satisfied with the intelligence. But only thing is, we need to work a little bit more. Okay, so I believe this is the last question I ask, and after that, I will just conclude the tutorial. But you guys can try and test this thing with your own use case and try to build something meaningful. Okay, because these things are super cool. Okay, okay, cannot access local variable. So okay, yeah, I think it is. Okay, so I think I believe I actually, let's ask the same question again. Um, no, I think I need to. ask it little bit less, because the context window is actually like violated. Can you please check who sends me maximum number of emails in last 10 days? Probably this will be interesting now, because I make it 10 days. Okay. Hopefully this time it will be able to get me the correct answer. Yeah, yeah. Maximum context length violated. Okay. Yeah. So if you have maximum context length or something, then probably this is not going to help you. So you have to understand one thing. You cannot do bulk operation with this thing. Suppose you want to actually check how many emails came last week, it is fine. But if you cannot ask it to do lot of bulk operation, because assistants cannot do bulk operation, right? If you want to actually do something with in last 1 weeks on one day, something like that, it will be definitely able to do it. But see, these things are technically correct. Okay, there is nothing wrong with that approach, because it is generating the correct thing. Okay, so I believe that could be the end of this tutorial. You know how to use it, you know what are the limitations, and you know what are the advantages of using this thing. I hope you guys will understand this technology wisely and try to use it effectively for your use cases. Okay, my ultimate objective was to actually give you guys some sort of intuition that you guys should apply those simple things on your daily use case, right? So one thing, how to introduce the voice driven instruction and how to actually work with your Gmail. So if you ask me out of 100 how can I rate these things, out of 100 I can give this tool 90. 10, couple of things they could introduce, because if the context length is actually increasing, they should write a nice formatted message, that is something. Okay, or maybe they should immediately uh, skip the breached output and they can give the limited number of output, that uh, within that context length these are the things you can get, something like that. Okay, but that is a different thing. Okay. Okay, so I think that is the conclusion of the tutorial. Before I end, guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification icon, and also let us know, have some sort of feedback how you are finding this tutorial and videos, and if you think something could be done in a better way, or if you have some specific use case which you want me to include, please let us know. Okay, so with that note, I'm just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning.